Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, September the 11th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Well, it seems that this one is a 0 stars because I've solved this in within 30 minutes. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, but you are interested in the 4-star Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number 7078. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits, and it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s, we have here 3 2s, we have 1 3, we have here 3 4s, we have here 1 5, we have here 2 6, 3 6s, correction, 2 7s, 2 3 8s, and 3 9s. So it's divided. Let me see. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 4 8. Okay, 8 8. Let me see. 3 3. Yeah. 6. Need a 6 there. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 7. Come on, 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 could be here, could be there. Need an 8 here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated 8, so the 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. 2 numbers left in this row, middle row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 8 goes there. So here we need a 1, 1, 2, and a 6. Could be everywhere, the 1. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Okay, need a 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 2 there, so the 2 goes here. So 3 missing numbers now. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Well, we have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 place level of the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 1 here. 2. Need a 2. 1, 6. Come on, come on, come on. No 6 here, no 6 there. 6, 6. Need a 6 here. 6, 6, 6. Well, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. Here can be 6 because we have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. Same for the 1. We need a 1 in this column. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. We see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 6 as a pair. So the other pair should be the 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5 here, okay. 1 and a 6. 6, 6. What about the 3 here? 3. 3. 3, 3, 3. Come on, come on. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 2, 7, 5, and then 1. Need a 1 here. No, no, no. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2. Need a 3 here. 3, 3. Come on, come on, come on. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So first row only 2 place level 2. Could be here, could be there. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. And we have a 7 in the last row. So the row between only 2 place level 7. Could be here, could be there. That means in here we have a 7, here we have a 7. It means in the middle column, the 7 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Could be here, here, or there. Need a 2, need a 5, need a 3. I'm thinking 4, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. The second column only place level 4 should be there. 4, 4, need a 4 here. 4, 4, need a 4 here. What about these? 3, 5, and 9. Well, we need a 9 in this column. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. So 1 number left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing here. 5 and 8, we have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 8 goes there. 8 and 7, we have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 7 goes there. Need a 7 here. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 1, 1. Need a 1 there. 5. No 5 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 7. 4, 4, 4. Come on, come on, come on. 3 and 6. 3, 6. 3, 3, 3, 3, 6. Need a 7 here. How about these 3? 1, 9, and 6. 196. 196. These 3 boxes. 196. How about those 7 and 4? 7 and 4. 7 and 4. Well, we have a 4 here. 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We have a 4 here and a 3 here. Here we have 3, 4, 7 in this column. We have 3 and a 4 here, so this box should be a 7. So the 3 and a 4 are left. I marked those 2 boxes with a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. I marked those 3 boxes with a 7. We have a 7 in first row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in second row, no 7 there. The only place left with a 7 should be there. 4, 4. I need a 4 here. I need a 4, 4. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. Come on, 3. No 3 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in the first row, so no 3 in these. 2 boxes, so 3 could be here, could be there in this big square. We have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left with 3 should be there. 3 and 9, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left with 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left with 7 should be there. Here we have 1 and a 6, 7 or a 5. We have a 7 now in this column, so this can be 7 anymore. This box should be a 5, and 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. 1, 6, and 9 are missing. Yeah, need a 9 here. Here 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 or a 6. We have a 6 now. This should be a 1, 2 and a 5. Okay. So 2 numbers left, the 9 and 9 and 6, I believe. 6, 6. Yeah. 9 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. So the 1 and 2 are left. 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for number 1. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Okay, 2 to 5. 3, 5 is missing, and a 9 is missing. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 9. The 5 goes together with the 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in this third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left. Oh no, we have I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Here 2 numbers left, the 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this row, first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only place left with a 5 should be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So well, please with the time, and like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.